Tired of getting unknown and spam calls? Well, the iPhone can now send unknown and spam calls straight to voicemail. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone? It's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. In iOS 13, Apple released a new feature called Silence Unknown Callers. What this feature does is any unknown or spam calls or calls from anyone who's not in your contacts will go straight to voicemail. Now it won't stop unknown calls or spam calls, but at least it'll knock out some of the interruption that when you're in a meeting or when you're just doing something or just when you plain don't want to be interrupted by unknown calls or some spam calls. Incoming calls from anyone in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions will come through, so you don't have to worry about that. There is one huge caveat though. Anyone not in your contacts, like let's just say a doctor's office or a friend of a friend who got your number and is calling you, a coworker, they are not going to come through. They're immediately going to get sent to voicemail and you'll get a notification, but you possibly may miss that call. Okay, here's how we turn that feature on. Make sure you've updated to iOS 13. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the phone icon. Scroll down to Silence Unknown Callers and toggle the button on. Now you're all set. Just remember to add all numbers of anyone you think is going to call you that you know to your contacts, or they'll all be sent to your voicemail and you'll miss that important call. Also, as a backup plan, just check your voicemails every once in a while. Now I know nobody really likes to check their voicemails, but do me a solid and just check your voicemails as a backup plan. Leave me a comment below if you still check your voicemails or you just wait for that text or that callback. Before I go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video. I really appreciate it and it helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason and I'll catch you in the next one.